Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next item to tell you all about it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. If you like steaks, or you like working in the kitchen, or you're looking for a gift for someone who likes to go ahead and work in the kitchen, a chef, maybe you have a small restaurant, this is a knife set for you. Take a look at this. This is the Emojoy knife set. It comes in this wooden box. This is the display case as well as the storage case. It's just simply beautiful. I'm going to show you what they look like. So again, imagine this is a gift and they open it up. And look at that. You get those knives. I love the way they're displayed like this. You have a whole bunch of them sideways, and then you have the one at the top there where it kind of shows them all off. I will show you this. I love the fact that the foam itself is actually set up so you have a little spot to put your finger in. And I'm going to show these to you up close. So this is what the knife looks like. You can see the blade. It's a German high carbon steel. The Amazon listing has all the exact details, but I wanted to kind of show you. It's got that beautiful grain on there, almost like that marbling on there. It is a serrated edge. Let me see if I can show you here. It's a serrated edge about 2/3 of the way down to there. It feels beautiful. It's got a nice Pakkawood or Pakkawood handle with 3 rivets. Everything is very smooth. Everything is weighted very well. It feels very good in the hand. When you pick them up, you say, oh, wow, that's nice. It's not too heavy, but they also aren't really light. Like this is a solid, you can see it's solid down all the way through. It's a solid block of metal, of steel, and then the rivets just kind of tie the wood handle onto it. They are smooth wood handles. They have a little bit of a grip to them. I want you to see there's a little bit of an indentation for fingers. They fit really, really well in the hand. They feel good in the hand. Now, these work really, really well. We have used these twice so far, and I'll kind of show you a video of that. We had a steak last night, and I'll just show you how well they work. They come out, they are nice and sharp. They are very, very durable. We use them, again, no problems whatsoever. They feel good, they cut well, they look great next to a plate. That's how good they look, and they're just a very impressive steak knife. So again, if you're looking for some kind of a gift for a chef or someone who really works in the kitchen a lot, someone who works with a lot of meat, loves their steak, looking for an impressive gift, a new homeowner, anything where you can say, wow, look, this is really a very, very impressive box and a whole set of knives. They just really, they work really well. They feel really well. They are an impressive gift. These are really, really nice, and I highly recommend them.